Hello and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can install Elementor and Elementor Pro on our WordPress website. Elementor Pro, as the name depicts, is a premium plugin which is worth $49 for a single site. But in this video I'll provide you a setup of Elementor Pro that you can upload and use for your site for free. So follow along to see how we can install Elementor and Elementor Pro and then go through its registration. Elementor is one of the top page builders and one of the most used page builders in WordPress due to its high customization power and the ease of use. So most of the web designers and beginners use Elementor to design their sites. Now this site, which you can see on the screen, is created with Elementor. As you can see, it lacks in no way due to the great design capabilities of Elementor. So let's head to our WordPress dashboard and begin with the installation process. To get to the dashboard, you have to append WP admin at the end of your URL. Go to plugins and installed plugins. Now Elementor is not installed on the site yet. Click on add new. If you only want to use Elementor and not Elementor Pro, you can search for Elementor in this search box and install it from here. But to install and register Elementor Pro as well, click on upload plugin and then choose file. Now browse to the location where you have the zip files of Elementor and Elementor Pro. Okay, here are the two setup files of Elementor Core and Elementor Pro. I'll upload these to my Google Drive and provide a link in the description, and you can download these two from there. So first you'll have to install Elementor Core. Click in and open and click install now. Now it's installing Elementor Core. Okay, Elementor Core version is now installed. Click on activate plugin and now Elementor is installed. Now keep in mind that you can't update this plugin right now, because if you do so you will have problems in installing and registering Elementor Pro. So first go to add new again, upload plugin, choose file and now choose Elementor Pro. Open it and click install now. Okay, Elementor Pro is now installed. Click activate plugin. And now as you can see, both Elementor and Elementor Pro are installed, but Elementor Pro is not activated yet. Go to Elementor tab and then license. Now you'll have to provide a license key, and the license key is GPL+. You'll have to write these 4 alphabets capital and the rest are small. Click activate and now Elementor Pro is activated. Go to plugins again and now as you can see, Elementor Pro is activated. Now you can update Elementor. Click on update now. Okay, Elementor has now been updated. Now you've successfully installed both plugins and registered Elementor Pro. Now visit your site. Now click this button, edit with Elementor. And now we are in Elementor editor. Now if this is your first time using Elementor and you don't know how to create a site using Elementor, don't worry, I am going to create a small series on how you can create a website using Elementor. Some of the upcoming videos of this WordPress series will be on Elementor only. So this is how you can install Elementor and Elementor Pro and register Elementor Pro for free. That's all for this video. I'll put a link in description through which you can download Elementor and Elementor Pro. Let me know in the comment section if you face any problem. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications of any new video uploaded. Thank you and see you in the next video.